Yeah, today that looks stunning. And yet you are still in the same place.
And I can see it poking out the corner of my eye.
It really just keeps on giving all the time.
Because bigger's always better. Wow, doesn't that look amazing in the sun? Well, we're about halfway through the day now. We're only just getting on video because we had clients arrive here just as we arrived. So they were a little bit early, but they've been here for a good, we'll say about 3.5 hours. A very important client actually with a new build down on the south coast. And we're very excited to be putting some art into their brand new home with them. And they've been looking at some new stuff, some existing stuff today. They basically just about love everything. I mean, why wouldn't you? Look at what's behind me. And I think very blessed today because the sun's been out and they're just loving everything. So at least we've agreed a date when we're going out and which paintings we're going to take out to them. So you'll be able to see that on one of our vlogs at some point in the future. But for now, we do have some work to do, so we're going to start the day.
Okay, this is Helter Skelter. So just finished popping this around the frame. Now, admittedly, the sun is causing a few shadows in here at the moment, so we are going from light to dark. But this whole thing literally just lights up. It's phenomenal. Adi and I just discussing which our favourite pieces were. I particularly like this. It's a bit like the moon, you know, the surface of Jupiter. But there are so many standout features and moments on this. It's hard to pull out your favourite because it really just keeps on giving all the time. So Adi was just saying how much this kind of shard just bursts through this. It almost makes it look three-dimensional, like there's a fold in it, which I think is a great optical illusion. And we come down here where the cells are, and I love the way that this just pops out inside all this pink. I don't use a huge amount of green, but when I do, it really just tends to come out phenomenally well. And then you've got all this going on here, like waves and waves, beautiful colour just repeating and repeating. And the whole thing is just epic. Anyway, that's Helter Skelter, half in the sun and half out. It does look nice in here. I know I always say it when the sun comes out, but it's just true. You know, here we are about 3:15 in the afternoon, sun's blazing. You get all these little pools and vistas of light as the sun moves around, just popping through. I absolutely love it. I think this is about my favourite time of day, especially when the weather's nice. Look, you only have to look on the floor, don't you? As to when the rays of the sun are just poking through the skylights. And then when it falls just right, boom, there you go. Yeah, especially over in this corner, look, it's just really, really lit so well thanks to the sun. And this makes them look amazing. Not that they don't look amazing already, but you know what I mean. Sometimes it's just nice just to come in here and just have a look. And it's good to see where you've come from as well as where you're going. Yeah, today, that looks stunning. Okay, let's got some basic admin out of the way, seeing as I haven't done a lot recently, having not been too well and all that. And now I'm going to get my awesome shoes on, because I've got to get some red paint onto the splashback, which is for a client. So today's colour, red. Okay, cool, right, well, we've had a pretty good day today. I spent quite a number of hours with the client, which we're really happy with actually. Very responsive to everything, really, really looking forward to going out with them. But over and above that, we've got some paperwork done, I got an invoice sent to a client, and we got a sensational new painting stretched up called Helter Skelter, which is there now. We're in some better light where the light's consistent. Another one behind it doesn't make it look too good, but that is sensational, so really happy with that. With the sun setting, we've just done 15 renders on Photoshop, ready to send to a client in Dubai who's interested in purchasing, well, into having some work commissioned. So that's done as well. I've got to tidy that up when I get home. Right now though, I think this man, you'll see down there, he's going to get the van started up.
Am I?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I think it's time to go home.
Well, good morning everybody, it's now Tuesday. Right, so I've got clients again today, coming in about an hour and a half's time. Flying solo for the morning. Adie's going to have an eye test done. But yeah, very much looking forward to welcoming these people. They got in touch a few days ago. Well, just really like to come and have a look around. Great, come on over. In the meantime, a few little bits to do. Got some paperwork to do, some emails to write, that kind of thing. Nothing terribly exciting, but looking at the state of the floor, I definitely think I've got some vacuuming to do. Right then, well, client's been and gone. Very, very nice lady. And now look, we've got a gap because she decided to buy one of the small 80cm paintings. Fantastic. And chose very well because it was a super little one. Don't think I've ever put it on the website. Isn't that bizarre? The way it still finds its owner. Anywho, now I'm going to carry on with a little bit more paperwork. Hopefully grab a painting out of the pod to stretch and carry on with the splashback. Backwards.
Yeah.
Huh. Do that again. Yeah. Imagine doing the whole broadcast in reverse.
Yeah.
No.
Well, we should be able to do that with all cameras. Huh. So there's the overhead. So you watch. Show everybody where the fan is and stand here.
Right. Let's have a look at that.
So there's the table.
Table.
There's the fan.
Fan.
Right hand.
Right hand.
Right. Now go to the monitor.
Uh-oh, fan's in the top left-hand corner, mate. It's so bizarre. Oh no, it's in the right-hand corner. And yet you are still in the same place. I can't work that out. That just messes with my head big time. That does. Well, there you go, folks. Starting the prep a day early for tomorrow's live stream. It'll be a particularly interesting one tomorrow. There's one we've never done before, which is a paint by numbers. Oh yeah, Suarez style. So I said earlier in the day, we're probably going to stretch that today, but we're just going to give it another 24, 48 hours maybe, and just make absolutely sure it's okay to put around the frame. As you can see, the master is inspecting.
Yeah, I think it just needs a little bit more in here. Temperature slightly better in here, so oven bake at 23 degrees.
There you go.
Ooh. Got we stretched that one?
Yes, we did. We did that yesterday, unless you'd forgotten. Yeah, today's client was very taken with this one, by the way. Just unfortunately hasn't got the room to put it, otherwise I think she would have had that.
Yeah.
But yeah, because the light's more consistent now, so you get a much more even spread over it. But yeah, that's pretty stunning. Might flip it portrait and see what that looks like tomorrow.
Yeah.
But yeah, looking pretty good, mate.
Yeah.
Right, so we're going to do a bit of a lock-up now. Time to go home, nearly 5 o'clock. I've got a bit of work to do this evening. Not too much. We're going to prep a couple of thumbnails ready for tomorrow's very exciting live stream. Doing something we've never done before, so that's pretty cool. But for now, I think we'll get locked up, get on our way. If you're new here and like what we do, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hi everybody, well it's now Wednesday. Interesting start to the day. We've done a few little detours, but we're safely back at base now. We're going to get on with a little bit of canvas stretching, and we've got quite a bit of prep to do for this week's live stream, which I might add is going to be something of a departure from the things that we normally do. So stay tuned. Let's show you what that's all about. Hey everybody, it's now Friday, lots to do today. We've got a guy coming to look at the sign as well, because we're having a new sign. Well, I say having a new sign, one of sign, because bigger's always better. A good friend of ours, Alex, who runs a sign business. Plus I've also got to finish a kitchen splashback for the client, and they're going to new commission, which is brilliant. and we're going to do a reveal of the amazing painting by numbers that we did on the live stream, breaking some more new ground, plus some miscellaneous other bits and pieces to do today. But the sun's out, it's a nice temperature, so I think we'll press on and see how much we can get done. Okay, one thing I forgot to just mention is I'm out tomorrow, Saturday, late Saturday afternoon, early Saturday evening, and I'm going to go and install a painting for a client. Now, his girlfriend and himself came and painted, and it's these two here. So they did a painting experience, yes, a paint your own session. So these two here are the ones that they painted. So I'm going to take those up and we're going to put them on the wall, and they're going to choose which one that they want. So that's pretty cool. But right now, I've got to wrap them, get them on the van. Right guys, so it's this time of the week again. On a Friday we tend to do the reveals for our Wednesday night live streams, because we were home on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, so we get on a Friday, and it's always our first opportunity to have a look and see what the painting came out. This week it was painting by numbers, not something we've ever done before. Pretty crazy concept, the whole completely mad. I'll pop a link down in the description for you, and I can see it poking out the corner of my eye. Should we have a look? Oh my word, are you ready? Are you ready for this? First reveal, here we go, let's have a look. There it is. What? Oh God, look at that. Oh, this is dried even better than I thought it would. God Lord, look at this. Wow. Wow, now I want to be able to tell you exactly how this was done, but you're going to go and have to watch the live stream. It's not for very long, but when you consider how this started to how it came out, oh wow. Wow, I am ridiculously happy with that. Well, look at this black. Well, there's just so many highlights, it's ridiculous. I don't even want to move it because this is so full of paint. Honestly, I think it's just gonna have to stay here probably for a week or so. That is absolutely mind-blowing. Wow, I'm really super happy with the way that came out. Look at it. I think I'm going to be staring at this for quite some while. Oh look, I've just noticed what's happened to the gold. Wow, this is absolutely insane and I love it. And there we go guys, that's what we did on Wednesday. Paint by numbers evening, Suarez style, so it shows it can be done. Hope you enjoy that. Great stuff. Right, anyway, and on that note, I got to get some paint clothes on and I got to start painting. Right, I hope you can hear me. Oh yeah, and the camera's moving. Excellent. Right, what I'm going to do now is do some painting on the splashback down here to finish off for a client, and then I've got a little bit of base coating to do, brand new commission. So those are the two things I'm going to do now. Okay everyone, so that's the painting done for today, and we're going to finish off today, look, with our gigantic camera slider track, all in the pursuit of getting an unusual shot ready to post onto TikTok. Yes?
YouTube's longest camera track?
Oh, I think it could be, couldn't it?
Maybe. Prove me wrong in the comments.
We are live on TikTok, folks. We'll put a link down in the description. And now, one of the pluses of having this amazing piece of kit, which hopefully you've seen on the previous vlogs being made, is that we're going to set this up with a pretty insane camera angle, and then we are going to video one of the paintings, and I'm going to video us videoing the paintings. Yeah, that looks about in the centre. Whoa, if we can pull this off, this is going to look amazing. Hell of a thing that, isn't it?
could ski down that, couldn't you? Right, so
If I can get this.
I've got one of these gimbals already. So this is gimbal number 2 going onto the sled. So I'm filming on one, Nadie's going to film on another, both with our iDevices. And the hope is we're going to get some extraordinary footage of Eye of the Tiger, which is in perfect light actually this time of the day. So I'm hopeful we'll be able to suss this out and show you what it looks like. So here's our update, folks. How's that for a camera angle? So we're going to now try and do a diagonal across Eye of the Tiger, and right up in the roof, right down to the bottom. So are you going to do this in reverse now, mate? So do I need to get up the ladder to stop it, yeah?
Let's try it.
Okay, this is going to be fun. Oh, it's looking good. Yeah, you got the whole thing in now. Yeah, anytime you want, mate. Yeah.
Stopping.
Fantastic! Look at that! That looked really good. Yeah, because you can at least get the corners of the paintings in.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, superb. Ha!
Okay.
Right, so that's that. Well, there we go, guys. What a great finish to the week. So it's now 7:15 on a Saturday. I just finished putting a painting up, as you've just seen. What a colour combination. Client's really, really happy. Painting looks amazing, but I think definitely now it is time to stop. See you on the next video.